Welcome to Chaka International. I am Nilamaditana speaking. This is related to civil service main examination, electrical engineering, and subject is power system protection. This also applicable to GATE and engineer service examination, electrical engineering. And this is the after this one video on microprocessor microcontroller we upload around 23rd 24th because the examination is on 25th. Here the problem neutral 10 MVA 11 kV alternator yacht to a resistance of 5 ohm. The art fault relay is set to provide operate at 0.75 ampere. The CT ratio is 1000 by 5. Then what percentage of alternator winding is protected? Here you should know only this much thing. If you do not know this thing, you cannot do other questions. This here, what is the voltage EMF induced here? 1 minus x into EM induced 1 minus x into V. The V phase here is the thing. If you know this thing, then you can know the current flowing here. So current is flowing here. So fault current is IR is equal to 1 minus x V phase into R. Why? Because EMF induced in this case, EMF induced here is V phase into 1 minus x. Current flowing here the fault R is resistance, fault current here the fault current. Now what is this total current? This IR is equal to 1 minus Vx Vph phase voltage minus R. What is phase voltage minus R? This is the primary setting current, primary fault current setting of this protection. Then others are very easy. Here the percent of winding protected is equal to 1 minus IP by IR into 100. So art fault current setting is 0.75 ampere over here. Voltage primary current, because current ratio CT ratio 1000 by 5. So primary current setting is 150 ampere. So relay the minimum fault current relay will operate 150 ampere. This 150 ampere IP. IR is equal to already IR is calculated. IR is equal to V page by 1 V page by 1100 divided phase voltage by current of 5, that is resistance. So 1070.2 ampere. So your winding resistance protection is equal to X is equal to winding protected X is equal to 1 minus IP 1 minus IP by IR into 100. So this is IP by IR is equal to 1270. IP is equal to, as per this thing, to primary to be protected 150. So the current is equal to protection is 88.2% line is protected. On IDMT relay operate current setting 150%. and time multiplier setting 0.5. Relay is connect to a CT and having the ratio of 500 into 5 ampere. Calculate the time of operation. Here fault current is 6000, CT ratio 5 by 100. So relay current setting is 150%, 5 means 7.5. The clock setting multiplies the fault current divided by relay current setting by CT ratio. So it is coming 8, and power setting multiplier 8 is the operating time is 3.15 second. This is the TMS time multiplier setting for 1. Here the mention what they mentioned TMS, they given TMS 0.5. So what is the operating time? This is the time is TMS 0.5 means divided by 2, 1.575. The time for operating the relay is 1.575 second. With this, to print a copy, like it, subscribe, put a bell icon. Thank you.